Hey, we're here. Yeah. Yeah, right under the big acacia tree. Hey, no offense, but would you mind getting here quickly? This neighborhood kinda scares me. There's a gang of lions here, and they're already eyeing us up. What do you look like, so we can watch out for you? Blonde? Okay. What color clothes? What do you mean you're not wearing anything? Ha, nice. Oh, you see us? Good. Dude? We'll pull around, so you can hop in. Dude. Excuse me, waiter, where's my herb acacia leaf salad with olive oil vinaigrette? Oh, sorry, the chef is pretty new here, and she's a bit of a perfectionist. I'll check with her about it. Well, please tell her to hurry, I've been waiting for hours. Hey, everything going okay in here? Yep, just finishing up the olive style leaf lover salad. Or whatever. You see, it's a deceptively complex recipe. There are over 20 separate ingredients, all of which must be painstakingly prepped and arranged. It can't be helped if it takes a while. You have prepared a single carrot. You've been working on this for almost 2 hours. How did you even get a job here? I dunno, honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Hey, what's the hold up in there, huh? Oh god, oh god. Nothing. It'll be out in a second. Lap lap. Gra. Splash. Yikes, haha, that was a close one. Nice ambush, though. Almost had me there. Thanks. Ugh, I've been having the worst luck lately. Just this morning, an egret landed on my head and only escaped because she'd forgotten an appointment. Snap. Oops, look at the time. I swear, if I lose one more prey item today, I'll scream. Well, from one predator to another, I'm sure you'll have your chance. Eventually some dopey animal who's not paying attention will leave themselves wide open to. Oh. Point. Oh snap. Arch. Splash splash. Oh dang, I didn't even see you there. I cold been a goner. Yes. I just scored a date with the prettiest girl ever. She's so kind and funny and smart. Heh, too smart, actually. Way smarter than me. Ooh man. What if she wants to do some sort of smart person activity together? She'll realize what a huge idiot I am, and she won't want to see me anymore. A smart person activity? Yeah, like what if she wants to solve brain problems, or do science work or something like that? Wow, yes. What a normal thing to do on a date. Relax. She'll probably just want to go to a movie or have dinner or something. You'll be fine. You think so? Hey, Elliot, are you ready for our super fun advanced calculus date? Oh no, oh. Hi, I'm Clarence. Wanna play with me? Oh, you must be the new guy. Sorry, guy. I don't play. You don't? Nope. Have you met Fran and Petty, though? They'd definitely be interested. Oh. Do you think they'll like me? Boy howdy, I'm positive they'll just love you. Yay, here I go. Have fun. Haha, poor dope. What a surprise. It sweeps the entire room twice, and there's still crap on the floor. Bump. You suck, Roomba. Bump. But not well enough. Bump. Oh, so I didn't suck up enough crap for her, huh? Fine, then. This time I'll be sure to remove all the crap. I'll remove everything. Gee, I hope Peanut is okay at home all by herself. I'm sure she'll be fine. But what if she gets lonely? Or bored? What if she forgets the Netflix password again, and she can't watch her shows? What? She's a dog, dude. Oh, hang on. Just got a text from Peanut. Your dog has a phone. Peanut, sat. Push. Hang on, Peanut, baby, I'm coming. So, is my wing gonna be okay, doctor? Well, it's definitely broken. You'll have to stay off of it until it heals. No flying for the next 6 weeks. What? But I have places to go. Parties and vacations and game night with my friends. How am I supposed to do any of those things if I can't fly? It's inconvenient. It sucks, I know. But you'll survive. Your wing is far more important than any of those things. Well, I still have to work. How am I supposed to get to work now? Sometimes concessions must be made for the sake of healing. What does that mean? Well, how do you think the rest of us do it? Not everyone can fly, you know. Snack pantry, you're not supposed to be in there, you know. That's rich, coming from you. So, what? Are you going to bust me? As a fellow criminal, I'm offended. No, I wish to help. For the low price of the lion's share of the spoils, I presume. I'm wounded you think so little of me. Mischief for mischief's sake is payment enough. Oh, but I do require just one thing. A hug from my favorite little criminal in training. Why hello, Senafluffipants. Ugh, don't call me that. Why not? That's your name. More proof that those hack owners of ours have no idea what they are talking about. I mean, they named you Puma of all things. Hey, my name is very fitting. I'm fierce and strong and fearless. Oh, I see. So if you met a puma in real life, you'd be able to take it on. How about that one right behind you? Nice try. We are in a living room, genius. Ah, seems you're as cunning as a puma as well. Shame on me for thinking I could fool you. Oh, by the way, it looks like your favorite show is on. Hey, let go of my pencil. Shake shake. Stop chewing my research papers. What the crap? Haha, now you can't work. You'll have plenty of time to play with me instead. Hey, where are you going? What are you working on now? An invention to stop you from chewing up all my equipment. Well, I'll bet you can't finish it. Snatch. Without your ruler. Fool. It's already finished. Ranger is just so handsome. It's not weird for a cat to feel this way about a dog, is it? Nah, it's not weird. Is it weird? Does he think it's weird? What if I just kissed him right now? I'm so nervous. Is he nervous? Gosh, I wonder what he's thinking about. That squirrel has an entire slice of pizza in its mouth. That is the fattest squirrel I've seen in my entire life. You know what? I'm going for it. Lunchtime, Maxwell. Excuse me, is this some sort of sick joke? Well, joke's on you. I'll eat my meal, even if I have to eat through these bars first. You won't keep me prisoner for long. Hung un. Puff haha. I have utter faith in you. Unlike old Smedley, here, who actually is a prisoner. Isn't that right, Smedley? Smedley? Smedley. Beast. The coast is clear. I don't see any cats around. Woo, what a relief. Yeah, if there were any, we'd be in trouble. It's hard to find hiding places for you after all. I think I'd be okay. Oh, no need to be brave. It's not your fault you're so big for a mouse. Pat pat. Well, let's say there was a cat. What would you do? Why, I'd protect you, of course. It's my duty as your big sister. In that case, I should probably tell you. There's one right behind you. What? Hey, I don't see any cats. Don't scare me like that. I thought you were serious. Haha, sorry. Thank you for watching. We post videos every day. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss the latest videos. Thank you and see you soon.